Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CNC routers for woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're into crafting, DIY projects, or even small-scale manufacturing, these machines can take your woodworking game to the next level. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the CNC router machine 6060 by Axis Create. This machine boasts a robust design with its aluminum and wood construction, making it capable of handling both light and heavy-duty tasks. With a working area of 23.6 by 23.6 by 3.74 inches, it's one of the largest options on our list, perfect for tackling large-scale projects. The belt-driven XY axes and linear Z-axis ensure smooth and precise motion, while the adjustable spindle speed of 6,000 to 30,000 RPM gives you plenty of flexibility for different materials. Performance-wise, the Axis Create 6060 delivers solid results for wood, MDF, acrylic, and even softer metals like aluminum. The 710W Power Trimmer Router ensures consistent power, and the machine is equipped with advanced features like an automatic tool setting probe and light recognition contact signal for precision. It's also modular, making assembly straightforward in under 20 minutes. However, at 58.9 pounds, it's quite heavy, so you may need a dedicated workspace. On the downside, the price and availability of this machine can be a drawback, and its 3.3-star customer rating suggests some users encountered issues. Nevertheless, with its high-speed capabilities and large working area, this machine is ideal for professionals and advanced users who need versatility and precision. It's a strong contender for those with demanding projects. Pros: large workspace, powerful trimmer, high precision. Cons: heavy, lower user ratings, and price not disclosed. Coming in at number 4 is the Genmitsu 4040 Reno CNC router milling machine. With a working area of 15.75 by 15.75 by 3 inches, it's a mid-size CNC router that balances workspace and compactness. The standout feature here is its belt-driven system, which ensures quieter operation and smoother cuts, with an XY axis accuracy of plus-minus 0.1 millimeter. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, this machine is designed to minimize vibrations, delivering better precision. The 4040 Reno is a versatile option for woodworking enthusiasts, as it can handle wood, acrylic, and even soft metals. It features easy modular assembly, so you can get started quickly, even if you're new to CNC machines. The inclusion of V-cutting bits and compatibility with grayable open-source software makes it accessible and beginner-friendly. However, at 28.7 pounds, it's not as portable as some other options. The quiet operation is a bonus, particularly for those working in shared or home environments. The downside? While it's packed with features, some users have noted its 3.9-star rating reflects occasional issues with belt tension or assembly. At $449.99, it's the most premium-priced product on our list, which may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Nevertheless, its combination of precision, versatility, and quiet operation makes it a worthy investment for intermediate to advanced woodworkers. Pros: quiet operation, solid build, high precision. Cons: premium price, occasional user-reported issues. At number 3, we have the SainSmart Genmitsu 4040 Pro CNC milling machine. This is a high-rigidity machine with a steel HSS frame, lead screw drive, and dual Y-axis rails for unparalleled stability. Supporting 4-axis capabilities and Wi-Fi modules, this CNC router is designed for those seeking advanced functionality. The 400 by 400 by 76 millimeters workspace offers ample room for intricate woodworking, acrylic cutting, and even metal projects. What sets it apart is its upgraded electronics, featuring silent Toshiba TB6S109 drivers and a 32-bit chip for smoother operation. Assembly is quick, as most parts come pre-assembled, and the spoilboard design allows for easy replacement of damaged panels. Additionally, it's highly customizable, with options for spindle upgrades and accessory expansions to suit your specific needs. However, the lack of a disclosed price and its bulky 44-pound weight may deter some users. Despite this, the 4.6-star rating and rave reviews for its precision and versatility make it a fantastic option for advanced woodworkers and small business owners. Pros: high rigidity, 4-axis support, customizable. Cons: heavy, price not disclosed. Taking the number 2 spot is the Lunny 3018 Pro Max CNC machine. This compact machine features an all-metal build, making it one of the most durable and stable options in its category. With a working area of 300 by 180 by 80 millimeters, it's ideal for small to medium-sized projects. The 500-watt spindle offers speeds of up to 12,000 RPM, allowing it to handle dense materials like aluminum and copper with ease. The Lunny 3018 Pro Max comes equipped with safety features like 6 limit switches and an emergency stop button, enhancing user safety during operation. Its 2-in-1 spindle and laser compatibility make it a versatile machine for cutting and engraving. The inclusion of manual handwheels for precise positioning and an offline controller further adds to its user-friendly design. At 28.6 pounds, it's relatively portable compared to some other options. On the downside, the lack of a disclosed price and limited customer reviews, 4.4 stars from 255 ratings, may leave some potential buyers hesitant. However, it's a great choice for hobbyists and semi-professionals looking for a durable, user-friendly machine with added safety features. Pros: durable all-metal build, versatile spindle and laser combo, robust safety features. Cons: limited reviews, price not disclosed. And finally, at number 1, we have the CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit by Genmitsu. This budget-friendly CNC router is an excellent entry-level machine, priced at just $199. With a working area of 300 by 180 by 45 millimeters, it's compact and perfect for beginners or hobbyists. The upgraded version of the 3018, it features a raised base height for better stability and pre-positioned components that make assembly a breeze. The 3018 Pro is powered by a 20,000 RPM spindle and uses the reliable GRBL open-source software for seamless operation. It comes with an offline controller, so you can run projects without a computer. While it's designed for lighter materials like wood, acrylic, and PVC, optional upgrades like the 3040 Y-axis extension kit expand its versatility. At just 15.33 pounds, it's easy to move and store, making it a great choice for home workshops. Of course, the lower price point means some trade-offs. It's not suitable for heavy-duty materials, and its 4.0-star rating suggests occasional limitations in performance. However, for beginners and those on a budget, the 3018 Pro offers unbeatable value. Pros: affordable, beginner-friendly, compact. Cons: limited to light materials, not for advanced users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.